everybody, welcome to Team W Electronics. Today in this video I will be showing you how to replace your hard drive on the Acer C720 Chromebook. Now before this video begins, I have a quick message from our sponsor.
So the sponsor of today's video is Brian Stark. He is a seller in Mercari. I've actually bought some stuff from him. The transaction is very quick and easy, and the shipping is quite fast. He sells baseball cards, tech parts, Pokemon cards, Ethernet cables. There's an iPod up here, that is actually a really good deal right now. You can see he has sold plenty of baseball cards and one Pokemon card in the past. He's got a lot of Pokemon cards right here. This Cat 6 Ethernet cabling, I did buy one of these off of him. He will take custom sizes if you're looking for custom size Cat 6 cable or Ethernet cable in general, and it's a pretty good price. And also all these Chromebook parts and this CPU right here. Wow, that is a really good deal right now. So go check him out. Most of his products sell within a month. So if you're watching this in the next month, he should have some more computer parts, he told me, up, and some more baseball cards, and possibly some Pokemon cards. So go check him out. A link to his page will be in the description. He does accept offers on most of his items, so drop him an offer if you would like the item slightly cheaper. And so go check him out.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do to replace the hard drive is flip it over, and down here you'll see this little sticker. It's got a screw on the inside. Remember, if you break this sticker, it's voiding the warranty. Now, I know this is a 2012 Chromebook, and so it does not have a warranty anymore, but if yours does, I don't know if I would do this unless you want your computer faster. Well, we'll have a bigger, more space. Okay, so we take that screw out, we slide off the back, just like that, and there you go, we have it like this. Now, one thing you guys can do is take off the battery. I don't normally take off the battery when I work on laptops like this, but if you do want to, you pop it off like that. And here it is. We're going to put that aside for now. And then right here is your hard drive. So you see there's a screw there and a screw there. We need to take both of those screws out. So we're going to take them out like that. Okay, so there's that. Now what you're going to need is maybe a little screwdriver like this. Kind of just stick it behind the hard drive there and try to pop it up. And there's a little bit of like glue or something, or tape keeping it down. It's probably glue. Okay, so we just popped it up. And then this, you can just put this aside. Oops, mine dropped on the floor. Okay, so now you have it like this. Now me, I really don't want to detach this and remove it, so I'm just going to take it and remove these screws here. Like the one there. Then we're going to remove the one over here. Oops, gotta get a screwdriver. These screws can be kind of tough to get out. So you got it like that, and then this piece comes off, and then you can take off, you can slide the drive out, and here's the drive. Now I'm going to get the other drive. Now you can put in an SSD or a hard drive. For this, I'm just going to put another hard drive back in. So we got it like that. That's put in. Good. And then we gotta slide these things, this like metal piece back on. And screw those right in. Now we need to come over here and do the same. Now this might be one reason to take that cord out and make this process easier. Can't get this last screw in. I might have to get a magnetic screwdriver. Oh, maybe it isn't magnetic. Okay. There we go. Now, if you do want to take this off, all you gotta do is these two little black things on either side, pop those out, and then you can pop that out, and then you can work on it like this, and we're just gonna pop it back in for right now. Put it in like that, and then push two things in, and then just put it back in. Like this. Uh-oh, it's not going in. Okay. So, put it in like this. And there we go. Now that's in. Now we can put these screws back in. Okay, I'm going to take my smaller screwdriver here. Screw that screw in, and then we'll screw in the next one. Okay, so there's that. Now it's time to put the back on. And so you put this back on like that, and then now we're gonna screw the screw back in. Okay, so I'm going to screw that in, and now the screw's in. And that's it for this video today, guys. If you like this video, or if it helped you out, please like and subscribe, and drop a comment.